I'm Tony Cordato,
And I'm Peter Koukoulis.
and we're here to talk about property. Well, property loans. And my question to Peter, as the mortgage broker, is what is the best loan to get when you're buying a house?
Very interesting question. Thank you, Tony. So it all depends on, everyone's got a case-by-case scenario.
Yeah.
So we don't just sit there saying, oh, you need to have a professional package. You need to have a low basic, no frills loan. You need to have a principal and interest. You need to have an interest only. We sit down as brokers and tailor the loan to the client's needs.
Yeah.
So it's more holistic approach than just like going to a doctor saying, oh, my knee hurts, antibiotics, without, well, what happened to your knee? So same thing with mortgages. So we sit down with a client and we educate the clients on what is more suitable for a client.
Yeah.
There may be a customer that says, I'm buying my first property, and the interest rates that are so high at the moment, it's a little bit, the affordability is just right. Just there.
Mm.
And then what we sit down and say, okay, look, we do have an option of going as the loan as interest only.
Yeah.
You're paying just the interest until the rates come back down, until you get more income in your salary and bonuses.
Yeah.
So it all depends on, the scenario. But then we educate clients, what's the difference between a principal and interest loan? What's the difference between an interest-only loan, owner-occupied, investment, and so forth? There's tax deductions and everything. But to sum it all up, it's not just a one-size-fits-all hat. We can't just say, here's the box of loan for you, and off you go. So we want to tailor it to the client's needs. But if we break it down, you might get a customer that is buying the first home, came out of maternity leave, is going back 3 days, and they need an interest only just to pay the mortgage. And then once you're there full time, then we look at that. And that's why we do annual reviews and sit down saying, how are you going with your scenario, and look after them. It's not a one-size-fits-all question.
Not off the shelf. You look at, if you just went direct to the lender, they've just got off-the-shelf products.
Correct.
And that's the problem. They may be okay, but there may be more suitable products that a mortgage broker can find for you, because they know there's a wider range of products.
Absolutely, absolutely.
They also know a bit more about what your circumstances are.
Absolutely, yeah. Exactly right. See, the thing is with the banks, they do have off-the-shelf product.
Yeah.
With us brokers, in Australia, 73% of all loans written in Australia are written by brokers.
That's true.
Because we sit down with the clients and we say, okay, I don't just work for ABC Bank and here's this product and off you go. We sit down and say, okay, we've got this product, got this product, got this product. Yeah. Out of all these loans, we recommend these three. And out of these three, we think this one is probably more suitable, and you make the choice.
That's fine.
Yeah. So it's more of that personal service. I think to put it in a more specific way, it's like you're going to to buy a suit. You can go to Lowe's and just try a suit and that's it. Or you go get a tailor-made and it looks perfect for you. Yeah. And that's what we do. We tailor-made home loans for our clients.
Peter the Tailor.
Peter the Tailor.
That's what he does.
Peter the broker / tailor.
Okay, that's all for us for this one.
Excellent. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, everyone. See you on the next one.